Number 28, what is the area of the figure below? A, 27 square inches, B, 40.5 square inches, C, 49.5 square inches, D, 63 square inches. Number 29, John had $60 to spend at the mall. He purchased a shirt for $17.25, a pair of pants for $24.99, and a belt for $6.49. John used a coupon that took $5 off of his purchases. The total sales tax was $3.06. How much money does John have left after his purchases? A, $3.21, B, $9.33, C, $11.27, D, $13.21. Number 30. Which set of side lengths will form a triangle? A, 4 inches, 10 inches, 14 inches. B, 6 inches, 6 inches, 13 inches. C, 8 inches, 11 inches, and 20 inches. And D, 10 inches, 15 inches, and 24 inches. 31. Carla had $40 to spend at the mall. She spent 20% of her money on lunch and 3/4 of her remaining money on a necklace. What fraction of the money Carla brought to the mall does she have left? A, 3/5, B, 1/5, C, 3/20, D, 1/20. Number 32. A hot air balloon is 1,500 feet above the ground. It ascends 20% higher in the air. Then the balloon descends 1/3 of its current distance from the ground. How many feet closer to the ground is the balloon from its original location? A, 200 feet, B, 300 feet, C, 1,200 feet, D, 1,300 feet. 33. The State Zoo wants to add animals to their collection of amphibians and cats. The table below shows how many animals they currently have and the amount they want to increase their collection by. After the zoo increases their collection, about what percent of these two types of animals are amphibians? A, 43%, B, 47%, C, 57%, D, 88%. Number 34. Which set of side lengths would not result in a triangle? A, 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 5 centimeters. B, 6 centimeters, 7 centimeters, 13 centimeters. C, 7 centimeters, 8 centimeters, 14 centimeters. D, 10 centimeters, 10 centimeters, 18 centimeters. 35. Mary will spin the spinner below 1 time. What is the likelihood the spinner will land on red? A is unlikely, B is likely, C is certain, D is neither likely nor likely. 36. A box contains 80 tissues. A case contains 24 boxes of tissues and costs $22.56. What is the approximate unit price per tissue in a case? A is 0.012 cents, B, 0.140 cents, C, 0.282 cents, and D, 0.940 cents. 37. A recipe requires 1½ cups of brown sugar and 1/3 of a cup of powdered sugar. How many total cups of sugar does the recipe require? A, 1/6, B, 1/5, C, 2/5, D, 5/6. 38. A sweater is on sale for 4/5 of its original price. A 7% sales tax was added to the sale price. Caleb paid $25.68 for the sweater. What was the original price of the sweater? A, $24, B, $30, C, $33, D, $35. 39. Using the number line, what is the value of W minus Y times X plus Z? A, 200, B, 100, C, negative 100, D, negative 200. Number 40, what is the approximate circumference of this circle? A is 6, B is 9 centimeters, C is 19 centimeters, and D is 28 centimeters. Number 41. Shonda's recipe for a cake requires 4½ cups of flour and 2 1/4 cups of sugar. She made 2 cakes. How many total cups of flour and sugar does Shonda use? A, 12 1/2, B, 12 3/4, C, 13 1/2, D, 13 3/4. Number 42. Wesley ordered a pizza to share with his friend John. The pizza had 12 slices. Wesley ate 1/3 of the pizza. John ate half of the remaining pizza. How many slices of the pizza were left? 8, B, 6, C, 4, D, 2. For 43, a piece of wood that is 33 1/4 inches long is cut into 3 equal pieces. How long is each piece of wood? A, 11 1/12 inches, B, 11 1/4 inches, C, 11 1/2 inches, D, 11 3/4 inches.